You've created an AI-driven agent with your preferred tools. Now it's time to publish, monetize, and scale it across Microsoft 365 and beyond. Enroll in the Microsoft 365 and Copilot program and publish your agent in Partner Center, which provides a streamlined process for app validation and approval. You can choose to monetize your agent by connecting it to a SaaS offering in Partner Center. To build trust and drive adoption, submit evidence for Microsoft 365 certification, making it easier for IT admins to review and enable your agent. Once published, your agent becomes discoverable in Agent Store across Microsoft 365 Copilot, Copilot Chat, m365copilot.com, besides Microsoft AppSource. IT admins can easily find and enable it for their organization through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. With agents for Microsoft 365 Copilot and Copilot Chat, bring innovative AI solutions to the world faster than ever.